How to enable ultra dark mode on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the ultra dark mode on your iPhone. Apple has added some amazing new features to help us achieve this darker, more immersive look, and I'm excited to update you on all the new options available. First off, let's talk about customizing the home screen. If you're new to iPhone, you'll find some great new options. You can now choose between dark icons and tinted icons. The tinted option adapts to your wallpaper, giving the icons a sleek look that matches the aesthetic. You can also make the wallpaper darker. Just tap a button to adjust it to your preference. Darker for ultra dark mode. Now, let's move on to the entire iPhone user interface. We're going to make everything from settings, calendar, and the Watch app. Basically, every app you use, darker. This is especially useful for those late-night sessions when you want to reduce eye strain. To enable this, head to Settings, then go to Accessibility, followed by Display and Text Size. Scroll down to find the Reduce White Point option. Set it around 60 to 70%, with 70% being ideal for that ultra-dark effect. Now here's where it gets really cool. You can easily enable or disable ultra-dark mode from the Control Center. Just go to Control Center Settings and add the Reduce White Point toggle. This allows you to switch ultra-dark mode on or off from anywhere on your device. You can also add this feature to your lock screen, so when you tap the shortcut, it reduces the white points and activates the dark mode effect. For iPhone users with the Action button, you can also enable ultra-dark mode using that button. Simply go to the Action button settings, swipe to find Accessibility, and select Reduce White Point as your action. Now you can enable ultra-dark mode with just one tap on the Action button. When you enable this feature, look at the difference. It's a total transformation. All those white points and lines in the Settings app disappear, and with the changes made to the home screen, your device is completely ultra-dark. You'll love it, especially at night. I hope this video helps. Let me know what you think about ultra-dark mode in the comments below. You're going to appreciate this feature, especially when you use your phone in low light. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more iPhone tips and tricks.